Hello, hi, this is Manang Mimi, and without further ado, I'm gonna share to you the before and the after, and I'm gonna clean the under of my sink. The under of my sink is, I don't know, your maybe is well arranged, but mine is not. So here it is down here. I'm gonna show the before and in the after. Let's go. It's the before. It's been a while that I didn't really clean this, so this is the time. We'll start. First, clear all the stuff and then wipe it. Okay, next is we're gonna use this multi-wipes or the Lysol so to disinfect down here. I'm gonna use this long thing in there. Wipe it. Okay, that's the stuff. That's a small area, but there's a lot of stuff. And of course, there's a kid here that's always in my side. Okay. This is for the fireplace cleaner. Or all the cleaner is put it in here. Windex. Why when the Windex it's in here, so I don't want it. This one is for that's for the stainless wipe. I'm gonna put that. It's baking so tiny.
It's not working. Only not this side. That's always slides down and sticks. Can't do that. Now working.
I use a Grove. It's a Grove product. Cooktop. I keep those cooktop cleaner in that I pick up in the store. It's like free. Okay, this one is really I use a lot to clean the refrigerator. Stainless steel wipes, and this one is multi-purpose wipes, and this one is the same, cleaner and polish. And this, I just gonna like to put this one this area close because I can grab it right away. I can grab it right away when I clean and put it back again. This for the dishwasher, so it just, you can grab it quick. And this one is extra here, and that's my garage bag, and I put some of the extras in the back so I don't really need to worry about it. And I think that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Hope you have a good day, and if you like it, thumbs up. If you don't like it, thumbs down. Thank you.